Whether your YouTube channel has been monetized for a long time or you have not been monetized on YouTube or currently you just monetize on your YouTube channel, consider to stay tuned to this video if you don't want to get demonetized, because there is a huge update right now on YouTube that can simply demonetize that channel, whether the monetization has been a very long time or you are just a new into a monetization program. Make sure you stay tuned to this video and pay proper attention to this so that you do not fall a victim of channel being demonetized by YouTube. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are bringing to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's find out. Welcome back to this wonderful tutorial about YouTube monetization. Like I said earlier, whether you have been monetized for a very long time or you are new into a YouTube monetization program, or you are about to monetize that channel and you follow the monetization as far as YouTube partner program is concerned, make sure you watch this video from beginning to the end and stay tuned and pay proper attention to this particular update right here. Now, ever before now, when you try to monetize your YouTube video, just like what you see on my screen right here, when you decide to monetize your video, then you go to add suitability right here, you are going to see the huge update right here that can cost you the demonetization on YouTube. Now, just like what you see right here from the top, we have updated our guideline to clarify our policy on this particular content, this, and this, and this. I'm saying this because even to the extent of some of the words that are coming out from your mouth, you have to be very careful the way and manner you use words right now on YouTube if you don't want to get demonetized. Now, when you scroll down right here, and then this is another huge update right here. Just like what you see right here, does your video contain titles, descriptions, or keywords contain any of the following? Why this is important to rate your video accurately? Now, if you hover your mouse right here, you see these informations right here. Quite a lot of number of people will not pay attention to this. Read this particular message right here. The more accurate your rating are, the more we can rely on them when deciding which ads to run on your video. This can help you earn more revenue from ads. This is a very good message as far as the update is concerned. But the update states further, intentionally misrepresenting your content can lead to your channel being reviewed for YouTube partner program eligibility. And if you click on learn more right here, click on learn more, you read the full detail as far as this is concerned. Now, what this simply means is that by the time you are rating your video, if any of your video here contain any of the language right here, so I'm going to open some of this box right here so that people that have not been monetized will be able to prepare ahead of this, because not every channel you can see this. Now, take a look at this. The first message right here. So I'm going to zoom out my camera right here, then everyone can read. So take a look at all some of the words that you need to pay proper attention to when you are creating your video. So I'm going to scroll down, then you can read them one after the other. Then click on see more right here, and then you can also go to YouTube Help Center to read further. Then we can scroll to the next one right here. This is another section right here. Open it and you read detail about this. So you have to be very careful. And if any of your video contain any of the information right here, you have to certify, because a wrong certification can cost you your channel monetization. So that is for this particular section. So moving to this particular section right here. So read the detail right here, just like what you see right here. Read everything and then digest and play along the rules. That is the key. Then I'm going to simply close this and move to this particular section right here. This is not really much. And also, if you have been monetized, it is try to endeavor and read details right here as far as this is concerned. So this is for this particular sections right here. Then take a look at this one right here. This is another section, and you can read detail as far as from YouTube community guideline article or on Google. So I'm going to disable this. Then take a look at another sections right here. This is another one right there. Then you can read the details right here. These are the things you need to pay proper attention to. Do not include any of this particular information into your video if you have been monetized. But if you include any of this into your video, make sure you certify when you are trying to monetize your video so that YouTube will be more understanding about your content. And the next one right here is this. So take a look at it and read. So there are much articles right there that you need to read and pay proper attention into. So I'm going to disable this, and the next one right here. So you can read just like what you see right here. Okay, just glance through and read and pay proper attention. Then I'm going to close this gap. The next one right here is this particular one right here. This is another thing that you need to pay proper attention to if you have been monetized. Okay, read that and close this gap. And the next one right here is this particular one right here. Okay, check on that. Make sure you read detail. And the last one right here is this particular one right here. So check on everything right here. Read it properly and digest and fully understand what YouTube is trying to say right here in order to be safe in your YouTube monetization program. Go to close on that. So all in all, if your video is not related to any of this information right here, and you are 100% sure of everything right here, next thing you need to do is to simply click on none of the above, check on this particular box. Then you have to scroll up again right there and click on submit ratings right here. Click on submit rating, then allow it to load up and be sure that what you submit is accurate with what you create so that you don't get yourself in trouble. Once you click on that, it's going to check on this and you have everything checked. No issue found, no issue found. You are fully safe. Next thing you need to do is to click on next. Then here you can decide to publish or private or unlist your video as the case may be, or you can schedule as the case may be. It's that simple. So basically, this is what I have for you as far as new updates about YouTube monetization program that can cost you a demonetized on YouTube program. Please guys, play safe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.